Welcome to our channel. If you want to get verified on Kraken to unlock full trading features, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete identity verification. Step 1. Create a Kraken account at kraken.com by providing your email address, creating a strong password, and verifying your email through the link sent. Step 2. Log into your Kraken account and navigate to the verification section by clicking on your account name and selecting Get Verified or Verification. Step 3. Start with starter verification by providing personal information including your full legal name, date of birth, country of residence, and phone number. Step 4. Progress to intermediate verification by providing additional details including your residential address, which must match your proof of address document. Step 5. Upload a government-issued photo ID such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Ensure the document is valid and all corners are visible. Step 6. Submit proof of address like a recent utility bill, bank statement, or government document dated within the last 3 months showing your name and address clearly. Step 7. Complete facial verification by taking a selfie or recording a short video as instructed by Kraken to confirm your identity matches the submitted documents. Step 8. Wait for Kraken's verification team to review your submission, which typically takes a few hours to several days. Check your email for approval notifications or requests for additional information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.